Welcome to Theme Park HD, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the theme parks, special events, experiences, and even some sports. Bello! Too much? Okay. Well, today we're taking you through the complete experience aboard Bello Bay Cruise at Universal Kids Resort in Frisco, Texas. This isn't just a ride point of view. We're going to walk through the entire attraction experience, explore the queue, and take a cruise through all the Minion mayhem, and then finish with a special look back at this attraction during construction. Now, if you followed early reactions to Universal Kids Resort, Bello Bay Cruise and the surrounding land have generated some interesting conversation to say the least. Many guests have noted that the area currently feels a little heavy on concrete, even going to the point of prison, and lighter on the lush, tropical blue water atmosphere the concept art may have suggested. Others have pointed out that the queue itself is fairly straightforward. There are some nice props and details throughout, but the deep immersion and storytelling that many people associate with Universal's destination theme park simply just isn't here today. During our visit, only one of 4 TVQ monitors was operating, which was showing Minions, while making the queue feel a little less alive than perhaps it was supposed to be. Here's the important reminder. This isn't Epic Universe. This isn't Islands of Adventure. This isn't Universal Studios Florida. Honestly, it's kind of hard when you have to stack up against those parks. This is Universal Kids Resort, a smaller park built specifically for younger families and first-time theme park visitors. There are some really nice things here, including this ride, including the Minion props, which are well done. The colorful architecture is fun, and this attraction itself is incredibly ambitious. In fact, outside of the hotel, this Bello Bay Cruise may very well be the most expensive attraction in the entire park. Well, the Minions are ready, the boats are loaded, and now it's time to board Bello Bay Cruise. All aboard!
Surprise. One more wave, one more shout. They jump out laughing and we shout out loud. Splash and sneak, splash and sneak. Little pranksters by the creek. Splash and sneak, splash and sneak. Got us yelling all the way down deep. Splash and sneak, splash and sneak. When and why we wanna repeat again and again. tight. Round the bend, out of sight. Mud on the rocks, spray on our cheeks. Something moves from the reeds. Did you see that grin? A tiny shape dives in. Left side, right side. Here they go again. Splash and sneak, splash and sneak. Little pranksters by the creek. Splash and sneak, splash and sneak. Got us feeling on the way down deep. Oh, here they go. Splash and sneak. Under the bridge, behind the vine, a cheeky hand, a banana sign. One pops up, then he ducks, we laugh.
And before we wrap up, let's rewind the clock, because not too long ago this wasn't a family water attraction. It was an active construction site. Here's Bello Bay Cruise from above while it was still being built.